we are having a Japanese curry with ground turkey and carrots. And I actually use this golden curry sauce mix. And you can make, I think like 6 to 8 cups of curry. And this one has potatoes, but I didn't put any potatoes for this recipe. So, but yeah, so this is what's for it. It's super easy and fast. So, and it's delicious. So for dinner, Monday night, we just came from Disneyland and we just picked up Chick-fil-A. These are all spicy chicken sandwiches with all the sauce and fries. We actually ate mostly all the fries already. But yeah, so this is what's for dinner Monday night. Alright guys, so this is what's for dinner Tuesday night. I just made my sesame noodle pasta salad, and it's just, I have a video of this that a video recipe that I have to look for it and I'll try to link it to this video. But yeah, it just has red peppers and cilantro and green onions, and the sauce is really good. It has olive oil, soy sauce, sesame oil, I'm trying to think, sesame oil and honey, and then red pepper flakes and sesame seeds. So a little bit of salt. So yeah, this is what's for dinner. It's so good. And yeah, so we're gonna have this. I actually made a lot. So this is the pot, and we could just have this for lunches and probably just a couple of nights of dinner because it's so good. The kids like it, and Eden likes it. He'll take it to work. Yeah, so all right, I'll probably take this to work too and have my coworkers try it. All right, so this is what's for dinner Tuesday night. Hey guys, so this is what's for dinner Wednesday night. We have our leftover sesame noodle pasta from last night. It was so good. Since I made 2 pounds of thin spaghetti, we have a lot of leftovers, and it's totally fine because I could eat this all week. But I also made ground turkey with asparagus and spinach, and I just seasoned it with garlic salt and red chili flakes and some fresh garlic as well. And yeah, so this is what's for dinner on Wednesday night. So Wednesday night, I am making bacon fried rice, and I'm going to actually show you guys how I make it super easy. So this is half a package of bacon, and I'm just going to fry it up in its own oil until it gets crispy, kind of like this. It gets brown completely all the way. And then you're going to get, this is 3 to 4 cups of white rice, and I usually try to use day-old rice so that way it's not sticky, because if you just cook rice and put it in the pan, it is gonna stick and it's gonna be a mush. So day-old rice is way better, and I'm just putting a sprinkle of soy sauce just to coat the rice and just have that color, like a brown color. And so just mix it until it becomes completely covered, and this is how it looks. And I'm just gonna season it with garlic salt, just a sprinkle of it. It's up to you because the bacon is already pretty salty, so it's up to you how much seasoned garlic salt you want to put in there. And then, so you just mix it up, and then I have a cup or 2 cups of frozen veggies. We just got this, I think from Walmart, and I just heated it up with some water for maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and then I drained it, and then I just put it in my rice and mixed it completely up, and that is pretty much it. And that is my bacon fried rice. And I also just cut up a couple of green onions, and then you just serve it with the green onions and then you just put it in the pan, and that is it. It's so good, guys. It's so easy, and it has pretty much everything. Your protein, starch, veggies. The kids absolutely love it. All right, this is what's for dinner Thursday night. It's bacon fried rice, and we topped it off with some green onions, and looks good, smells good. And that is what's for dinner Thursday night. All right, everybody got spicy chicken sandwich with fries and drink. So excited, we're starving. We haven't eaten since breakfast, and it is 3 o'clock, guys. 3 o'clock. So this is kind of like
3 o'clock.
This is like kind of like lunch dinner. Is this dinner? All right, I'm gonna eat.